We're in the edit page. Left click your video, hold and drag it onto your timeline. Go to Inspector, left click Inspector. We have this aerial video. I wish to slow it down. Move the playhead to the position where you want the speed change to begin. Go to this razor blade icon, the blade edit tool, and left click, it turns red, and go to your timeline and left click where your playhead is. Move your playhead to the section where you wish the speed change to end. Left click there as well. Now go to your keyboard and press the letter A for Apple, and you see the razor blade go from red to grey. Now left click inside the area and you notice it highlighted. Place your playhead in there too. Now go down to speed change, left click speed change. Now we wish to decrease the speed, but before we do that, very important, left click ripple timeline. Make sure there's a tick there. Now I'm going to decrease, that's 100% speed, that's normal speed. I'm going to decrease that, and we notice the section increasing in length because the speed's decreasing. And I'm going to change that to 10%, enter, so we get this tenfold elongation of the section that's been slowed down. And place the playhead at the beginning of the video. Let's play this, and we notice an obvious decrease in speed. It's much slower. Control F, stop. Now we're within the area that's highlighted. Go to speed change and select the master reset, the circular arrow, left click, and the video's shrunk again. I'll left click up there to get the playhead in view. Now this time we'll decrease the speed, but we'll gradually decrease it. So left click this diamond red, and in ease, instead of linear, select ease in and out. And we're going to decrease the speed to 10%, enter. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Gradual decrease in speed to 10%. It'll stay at 10% for quite some time, and then it'll ease out to normal speed again. Delete selected. I'm just going to place a different video on the timeline. Let's look at this rocket video. Now let's increase the speed. Go to the blade cut tool, press that, left click, move your playhead to the section up until the section where you wish the speed change to end. Left click there, press A for Apple on your keyboard. The blade icon deactivates. Press left click within the selected area. And this time I'll just click that white diamond red, ease in and out. Make sure ripple timeline is ticked, very important, and increase the speed. Now you notice when we increase the speed, the section decreases in length. I'll increase the speed to about 300%. Enter. And you notice the obvious increase in speed.